Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajala uba Preston Tensong habekran bat kinong tho khobor mantakasngi ula penpau ka jingsngo kemen bat pediang sngo bhai kinong kershan ke BJP hapo Kajala ki balarai ban kershan ki kertong ke seng NPP ki ban yakhun ya ke election Lok Sabha na Shillong bat tura parliamentary constituency uba Preston ula ongru bada ka jing kershan lang ka seng BJP ngis ngos khem bangin sayo ya ka jing job.
Well, I'm so thankful the decision taken by the highest authority of the BJP, and we really welcome this decision taken. And I'm very sure with the support in both the conferences, we will assure that we are coming out victorious.
Whether the strategy for election will change with the support of BJP now?
No, not at all. It will not change. We will go as already planned, but at the same time, yes, we will reach out to the leaders, the state leaders of the BJP, both especially in Tura and Shillong parliamentary constituency.
BJP party is not voter supporting. How will you ensure that?
No, that's what I'm saying. We are going to reach them out. We'll reach them out, and then the state leaders. We will sit down with the state leaders. We will sit down with both the leaders of the respective constituencies, and thereafter they will also walk out to reach out to their supporters in the grassroots.